Hi, today in this quick video for the Stretton Payne custom shop, we're having a look at this Ibanez electric guitar. Now this is a second-hand guitar. When it came in it was a bit scruffy, but the pickups and the electrics are sound. So the first thing to do is check that. Getting into the guitar here, lubricating the pots, making sure they're all really nice and smooth and that everything works exactly how it should do. Then, same as always, strip down everything off and get to work with the industrial polisher to try and shine through, take some of the scratches out. It has got marks on it, little dinks here and there, but it's been a well-played guitar and it plays brilliantly. Now we've done the fretboards, these frets are sparkling and new, and the playing surface down here is just silky smooth. So, once we've given it the polish down, checked through the electrics, I had a look up here at the truss rod, and I've just flattened this neck out a bit, and you can see here, this is really low. What I managed to do at the end of it, while with the setup on the Tremolo system as well, is for the Ibanez, they set their action height at the 14th fret, and I think their recommendation is about 2 mils off, 2 mils high off the fret on the bass end, and just a little bit less at the treble end. And we've got this one absolutely spot on. It's right there on the money with the setup and the action. Neck, lovely, lovely. So let's have a look what the electrics do. We've got the tone pot and the volume control, and a 5-way select switch. We've got 2 humbuckers and a single coil in there. So in this position, at the front, it's using the humbucker there. Now in this position here, we're using the single coil and just this single coil of the humbucker. So it's treating those two together. In the middle position, just the single coil. In this split position, again, we're mixing that single coil of the humbucker, turning the one off, so it's pick-up switching, and using this one, so it's in prepare, and in the back, it's just the bridge pickup. And then they're nice, it's a nice sounding guitar. We've got a floating Ibanez Tremolo system, and I know some people can have a little trouble with these, but this one is actually spot on. You can raise and lower it with an Allen key in these pieces here. Now, with this guitar I put on standard Roto 10s and had to do some adjustment with the tremolo to get it sitting right. And you can do that with, in the back, with a screwdriver in these springs. So if you tighten the screws in the back, it'll either tighten the springs, or tighten the tension, or loosen them off. So little kind of like half turns, so that we want to get this tremolo system parallel and flat, so it's floating backwards and forwards, and you want to get the strings flat with the top of this tremolo system as well. So then it's parallel to the body. If you've got real problems with a guitar like this, what you can do is just really tighten the strings up, and it just sits on the back there, and it's not going to go anywhere. But I've got this one right. This one's perfectly set up for 10s now. If I was to put on 11s, I'd need a little bit more tension on the springs, or 9s a little bit less, etc. So there we go. We've shined it up. It's absolutely set up to perfection now, this one, and ready to go. It's the Ibanez electric guitar in black.